The girl student from Fakir Mohan Autonomous College in Balesur who attempted self-immolation following alleged harassment remains in a highly critical condition at AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Doctors have said the next 48 hours will be decisive for her survival. She has suffered 90 to 95% burns with damage extending to vital organs. Her kidneys have been severely affected and respiratory complications caused by fire inhalation have worsened her condition. A specialized team comprising doctors from surgery, critical care, pulmonology and nephrology is overseeing her treatment. Despite all interventions, her vital signs have remained unstable since admission. She was shifted from Balesur to AIIMS Bhubaneswar after initial resuscitation care. Since then, there has been no improvement in her health. Her condition remains unchanged with high risk of infection and organ failure.
Condition mu dekhli ebe bhi critical re achanti au we are trying our best au sabu prakar jete prakar sabu sahajya darkar amro team lagichanti patient ebe bhi critical re achanti multiple department patient bartaman critical our critical care department ଆମର ଯେମିତି ଏବେ ତ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ବର୍ନ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କର କିଡନୀ ଟିକେ ବି ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଲଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଆମର ଭେଣ୍ଟିଲେଟରରେ ଆଇସିୟୁରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ପେସେଣ୍ଟ।